Welcome back to MicrotechFIX. Today we are going to be talking about how to fix error code 16. So this board was sent from one of my customers. So it's from the technician. So the complaint is error code 16. So when we talk about error code 16 have there are various symptoms by which error code 16 can bring. This is one of it. So I power the board now. This is the Carriage board. I power the board. If we count the number of LED on the board right now, because normally when Carriage board is powered on the bench, the number of LED that are supposed to be shown should be around 9, to be 9 precisely. But when we count the number of LED we have here now, it's not up to 9. And there are some LED, there is a particular LED that is not supposed to even show because it's a error code flag. It's an error code flag. Look at this LED here. This one is not expected to be, to be shown. It's not expected to be shown because this is an error code 16 flag. We have one here, we have another one here. So when there is error code 16, so you can have any of these LED lit up or both of the LED. Sometimes you may not have any of the LED lit up, but there are some other LED that are supposed to show up, but it's not showing, like this one and this one here. So in almost all cases of error code 16, so this and this and this are always off when you have error code 16 on Carriage board. It could be, sometimes it could be one of these, and in most cases is both of this and this. And another one here. So because when these two comes up, then followed by this one here. So when you don't have this and this, you won't be able to have this. So on a normal Carriage board, we're supposed to have 9 LED shown if the power is bench test. If you have a bench test, if it's not on machine, if it is on machine, you have like 11 LED showing. So but on the bench, so in the workshop, when you power the Carriage board, it's supposed to have 9 LEDs shown up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. So 3 is missing. This one is missing. This one is missing. And this one is missing. We are not supposed to have this one here. We are not supposed to have this one. This is an error code 16 flag. So it's an error code 16 flag. So we are not supposed to have it. So how do I tackle this? So I will switch on to microscope now to troubleshoot and see where the fault comes from. So let me pause the video and switch to microscope now. So this is how I go about troubleshooting the error code 16. This is how I go about troubleshooting. I'll have to check the company. Let me start with this resistor. This is a pink resistor. Okay. This is about 100 ohms resistor. Okay. This is 4.7 K resistor. Okay. This is 33 ohms resistor. Okay. This is the 3 ohms resistor as well. Wow. This is more okay. This resistor is more okay. This resistor is more okay. Do we have any other one? Yes. We have this. This is going to be 1K. Yes, it's okay. 1K. 1 kilo ohms. Okay. And this is 22 kilo ohms. 22 kilo ohms. Okay. In this area, what is other one do you want? Okay, let me mark the one we found into. This one is that. Come back to that. Alright, let's see this. This is 1K. Okay. 10K. 10 kilo ohms per sector. Okay. 1 kilo ohms per sector. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Okay. 4.7 ohms resistor. Okay. 100 ohms resistor. Okay. 1 kilo ohms resistor. Okay. This is 100 ohms resistor. Okay. Now last and not the least, we divide 10 kilo ohms resistor. Okay. So in this area now, we have only this one that is bad. So let's change it. We're going to be let me look for another one from donor board. Out from donor board. Out from donor board. Alright, donor board. How do you see it? Let me check. How to do it. The value is 33 ohms. The value of the resistor is 33 ohms. Okay, so I'll be using this one to replace the bad graph. Using this one to replace the bad graph. So then we apply the flux. Unset flux. Isodiazo wonderful. Very sensitive. Well, I don't want to use faulty anymore. While using hot spell, I can look for you maybe. Of course, I don't have feedback, but it's for you, as you can see. The airport feedback. Now, let the new guy take place, take position, the bad. So I am orientating the board now. Only the orientation of the board, the landscape, origin, axis. All right. So let me apply plot. Wow. Smooth soldering. Okay. So now the resistor is changing. Let's read it. Confirm. Yeah, good to go. Good to go. Great. Test. I want to test it now after changing the resistor. Let's see what we have here. Let me off the light so that we can see the LED clearly. Let's see it. Yes, yes, yes. It works. It works. It works. Yeah. The error persisting is fixed. The error persisting is fixed. So this is how I fix the error persisting.